The DCD Series is a higher lumen, completely modular system that radically simplifies configuration in the field. It offers performance, flexibility, and is designed to make your job simpler. One housing that works with any type of application. Locate and mark center fixture position on ceiling. Cut 5-inch or 127mm circular opening in ceiling. Route the electrical wires through the junction box. Insert the housing into the ceiling opening, junction box end first. While holding the housing against the ceiling, tighten the 4 screws to lock the positioning. Place the module onto the trim and turn it clockwise until it's secure. Connect the housing conduit to the module. Flex the trim spring clips inward and insert into the ceiling opening. Push the trim and module into the ceiling opening until flush with the ceiling surface. To install optics or a specialty lens, push the 2 downward facing arrows inward to remove the current optics. Align the new optics or specialty lens onto the module. Push until ring snaps into place. The optics are tool-free and field swappable at any time. Ensure the module is not tilted, is in its upright position, and the yellow housing thumb screw is completely loosened. Connect the housing conduit to the module. Align the ball plungers and the housing thumb screw on the module with the ball catchers on the housing. Push the module into the ceiling opening until all 3 ball plungers engage with the ball catchers. Tighten the housing thumb screw until the module is secure in the housing. To adjust the light positioning, unlock the blue rotation lever and loosen the light blue tilting thumb screw. Rotate and tilt the module to direct the light until desired lighting coverage is achieved. Tilt the module by pushing on the light blue edge of the tilting tab labeled Tilt. Lock rotation lever and tighten tilting thumb screw to secure light position. Position the orange alignment indicator on the trim between the 2 orange alignment indicators on the module. Push the trim into the module until secure. To install optics or a specialty lens, align the new optics specialty lens onto the module with matte side down and optics cutout edges away from optics holders. Lettering on optics should appear backwards. Push simultaneously on the 2 areas of optics near the optics holder until the optics snaps into place. The optics are tool-free and field swappable at any time. Replacing the driver couldn't be easier with this plug-and-play system. Push down and turn counterclockwise to unlock and remove the driver. Align the new driver onto the module, matching the white peg on the driver with the white indicator on the module. Then just push down and turn clockwise until secure. One housing, many choices. Thanks for watching.